Okay guys, today's video is about air filter. So we're going to change the air filter in this Jeep Patriot 2016. Okay, so all you have to do and get your parts ready. So this is my filter, no filter. All right, so you can get it at the store. And then all you have to do, you're going to, you need 8mm wrench or socket. Okay, and then this right here, if you have a Jeep, this right here, it's 10mm socket. Okay, and then don't remove this, do not remove this. Okay, we're gonna start by removing this thing right here. Okay, remove this, put it somewhere. So now you're going to remove these screws right here, remove this, remove this. There's one in the back, there's two in the back. Remove it, remove it. Okay, this one we have to move, this one too. Okay, remove this right here. Okay, after removing all the screws, now it's time to take this cover off and then remove the oil filter. Okay, put it on the side. Now check to see in your car if you have some kind of debris, like trash, like leaves, some kind of stuff you see inside. Get a vacuum, remove all the trash. So my pretty much it's it's not that bad, it's clean. Okay, so now all you have to do is get your no filter. Let's get the no filter. Let's put it back. Make sure you give it a push. It's tight. Okay. Alright, once you feel like it's tight, now it's time to put the cover back on. Okay, and put all the screws back on. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, and then just screw everything back on. It's so simple, simple job, and anybody can do it.
You don't have to pay someone for that. Okay. Alright, I gotta get that.
Okay, after you put everything back on, don't forget to put this piece right here. Alright, connect it. Okay. Okay. No, that's it, and you're done. Alright guys, thank you for watching.